Do you enjoy cooking? Are you of the opinion that garlic and onion are essential ingredients in the kitchen? Most people tend to agree and include fresh garlic and onion in their cooking as they are both delicious, nutritious and have a long shelf life. However, their powdered versions, while less common, can also be a versatile and interesting option to experiment with in the kitchen, as they offer a slightly different flavor profile than fresh ingredients and can be paired with a variety of dishes. The benefits of garlic and onion are numerous. They help to lower cholesterol, prevent heart complications and the formation of gallstones. They are high in selenium, which acts as an antioxidant and helps to combat free radicals that can cause disease. Both ingredients contain high levels of vitamin C and B complex vitamins. Additionally, they are effective in fighting colds and flu due to their anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antiparasitic, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Garlic and onion can also help to prevent cancer, as they contain allicin, a sulfurous compound that can neutralize carcinogenic substances found in meat and other foods. Adding these ingredients to your diet is, therefore, a wise choice. Making garlic and onion powder at home is easy. To make garlic powder, peel a head of garlic, slice it into small pieces, and bake it in a glass baking tray in an oven set to 302 F for 1H30 minimum. Once the garlic is dehydrated and brittle, blend it for 20 seconds in a blender or food processor. Sift out any large pieces, and store the powder in a container. For onion powder, peel and dice 2 small onions or 1 medium-sized onion, and bake in a glass baking tray at 302 F for 2H30 minimum. Once the onions are completely dry, blend for 20 seconds, sift out any large pieces, and store in a container. As you can see, making garlic and onion powder at home is a simple process. By incorporating them into your dishes, you can enjoy the many health benefits they offer.